Hello YouTubies, I'm Grant, this is the garage, this is Granty's Garage. In this video we're back working on the budget Temu Max Power Focus and we're undertaking interior phase 2. And for that we're going to start with the pillar trims. This should give you a pretty good idea of what it looks like currently. And now it's time to change it. Now they're out, we're going to give them a clean and we're going to try and wrap them. Now I'm intending to leave what should be the previous clip in where you would have seen me struggling with getting this piece to go onto the piece of trim that I had. The texture of this trim is not smooth. It's clean, but it is not smooth, and my gut initially was telling me I will need to sand this smooth in order to get the wrap to adhere to it or possibly paint it. But what I then tried was without filming it in the background before I cracked on, was an experiment. So I cut a piece for this. It's obviously not the full piece, it was just to see if I can get it to work. And I really overly heated it, more than anything we did on the car, way beyond probably what you're supposed to. And I don't know if the camera will pick it up, but it has taken the texture through on it. Now I don't mind this, and this has stuck quite well, so when I finish it, that will probably work. Now as this is an ever so slightly different purple, I'm not against it having the texture on it, and for the sake of not having to sand them and not having to paint them, I'm quite prepared to crack on like this and do the rest of the pieces and then see how happy I am with it at the end, because I can then always sand it and or paint it. So we'll crack on with that. This piece will come off. This is a very different kind of wrap to what I've used before. My experience is obviously not extensive. That's the first car I've ever wrapped. 127 quid, was using cheap as materials and pieces not large enough. But they were all paper backed, those rolls. This one is this sort of plastic backed. The wrap is actually thicker, which is why I think it survived some extra heat. But it doesn't feel as sticky. Part of that's going to be the texture, but it is what it is. Forgive me for wearing the hood. Every time I'm filming something that I am speaking in, I'm turning off the heater so you don't get the noise of it. And it's very cold now. It's mid-December. I started this video actually quite a few weeks ago, but I've been ill, so I've been not coming out in the garage in the evenings to do much. So, yeah, it's now got very cold. It's very winter. But I'm going to crack on with trying to do some more pieces in this fashion. We'll see how an entire piece comes out, and if I'm happy with it, I'll do the rest and we'll put them back in the car, which hopefully won't take weeks and weeks like this video already has. If you're enjoying the videos and you might want to help the channel out, we now have a Patreon and we've activated memberships and supers on YouTube itself. Starts from $1 a month, which whilst isn't the greatest amount of money, a lot of people helping can go a long way for us. This whole car we've modified, including the Lambo doors, for less than 500 quid over the course of most of this year. And I want to do bigger, better things faster next year. So we're asking for just a little bit of help from anybody who is able to help. Thanks very much. If you don't go and help, it's absolutely fine. Give us a thumbs up, comment on the video. Channel's not going anywhere, just going to be able to do things faster with a little bit of help. So we have a conundrum. I've been doing each piece the same. So every time I do a certain piece, I do the same corresponding one from the other side because I had a suspicion we might run out of wrap. I only had 2 rolls of that particular wrap. Now, this is what's left. This is one of the last 2 remaining pieces. And that is all she wrote. So, what are we going to do about it? The sensible thing to do would be order another roll. But there's like minimum order values on Temu. There's nothing else I need at the moment. It will take ages to come. What I do have is one last roll of what we actually wrap the car with, which is an ever so slightly different shade of purple, but not crazy different. And this stuff is actually easier to work with, aside from it's the texture of this that was making it very difficult. Now, to do this piece, I think I'll have to be sensible. There's no way that I'll get a piece to kind of take that curve and be able to do it in one. So I'll probably do this part first and then the top part. And I think I'm going to give it a go with this because the rest of the car, if you've watched the other videos, not only is the car wrapped, but all of like the insides of the doors and the sills, pretty much everything, even the boot that I need to do with the wrap is done. So I don't really need very much of this. There's one tiny small part that I haven't finished because I didn't get around to it, if I'm honest. So I think I'm going to go with this, give it a go, because worst case scenario, if when I put it back and it doesn't quite match, not only do these pieces go back in last of the bits that we've removed, therefore they can come out again first and I don't have to take the whole rest of it out, but if it doesn't look good, then I can get away with it. I could just order some other wrap and do it again. But I think this will be quite good because there's a lot of purple of this kind around the boot and these are the bits at the back. This might actually blend it in quite nice. So I'll do it with this and see what happens and then we'll go from there. And if you've got this far, be a very good time to hit the thumbs up button because to explain what I'm doing here and show you this bit, I've had to turn the heater off again and it's December and it's freezing. That like button would be a good way to show the appreciation. Let's wrap this guy. All the pieces are done, so I'm going to jump in here, climb around like a monkey and stick them all back where they are supposed to go. I've even set up the light so you'll be able to see it, hopefully this time. With that done, the interior is starting to come together. So we've got the pillars and frames and bits we just did, the door cards, the center console, the dashboard. Still some to do. Something definitely needs to happen with these seats. Something definitely needs to happen with that steering wheel. But that will be future videos. Each of these other bits are their own video if you want to check them out. But this is how the interior is getting on. Slowly but surely. And very, very cheap, and largely me having to learn how to do things I've never done or didn't know how to do before. Apologies if you can hear the rain on the roof, but that is the video done, I think, for now. we've got those trim pieces done. There's another piece of the interior being transformed that is setting the tone for what some of the more significant bits are going to be. May need to wait a little bit of time to get some resources together to be able to do some of them, and I've got some other bits coming that are going to take a long time. Definitely not the last you've seen of this car. It's definitely not the last idea that I've got. If you enjoyed that, please consider subscribing so you don't miss the next video, or if you want to go back and watch how we got here, if this was one of your first few videos, of course, please go ahead. There's a whole playlist on this car where we've turned it from a stock Ford Focus, spent under 500 quid on it, net, because we sold some bits, and turned it into this. A lot more to come. Looking forward to what the new year's going to hold for this. Thank you as ever for watching. If you did enjoy that, give us a thumbs up as well. It'd be much appreciated. If you want to comment below some ideas of what you think might be happening next, or what you think should be happening next, I'll be sure to read them and consider them. Thanks very much for watching. See you in the next one.